Hi everybody, welcome back to the Omagimra YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. Before I begin, do you guys see my Christmas decor? I tried small to put something together. Got some of those like decorative balls, and I got some and I put it in my office. I haven't really finished. On the table there's still a couple of more there. I want to put up a little bit more, maybe on this side of the office, the side of the office that not a lot of people see. Anyway, in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys a little mini haul that I did for myself for my birthday. My birthday was on Sunday, the 2nd of December, and I was actually supposed to have a meet and greet, but that didn't work out well. And while I was thinking about Jesus, my meet and greet didn't work out well. It's not what's supposed to happen. I just decided to throw myself a birthday party. So if you were following me on Instagram and you were following a couple of other bloggers as well, I had like a little shindig at El Padrino. Thank you guys so much for all the well wishes. Thank you to all the people that came. I don't know how to express my gratitude. I am so grateful and I'm so happy to have you guys and my friends and my family. I'm so grateful for the people that I have in my life right now, because I have been going through a couple of stuff and I'm not going to share it now. A bunch of you might already kind of know and kind of figure it out, but yeah, I've been going through some things and I'm just happy that I was able to celebrate my birthday and just have fun celebrating my birthday. Apart from throwing myself a party, I bought myself some things and I decided to just share this with you guys because a lot of you guys like to see my hauls. Before we begin today's video, please do me a favor and subscribe to the Omagimra YouTube channel. It'll make me so happy if you join my family here on the internet. I'm really close to 3,000 subscribers and I would love for you to join my family and to help me reach 3,000 subscribers. I mean, just help me. Also, when you're subscribing to my channel, please do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. So usually for my birthday, I do something. I either go out for dinner with my friends, or I go partying, or I have a party. I think there was a year I had a party in my house. But this year, I wanted to have a meet and greet. That didn't work out, so I had a birthday party. So I think that's the first gift I gave myself, was accepting that sometimes shit doesn't work out and you can just turn your disappointments into amazing things. So me going from having this meet and greet and not it happening at all and turning it into a birthday party and people actually coming out for the party, and you know, just it makes me very happy thinking about that. That's the first gift I would say I gave myself. I know it's a very weird thing to start off with, but I bought myself some clothes and one of them I'm wearing right now. I got this and another dress I'm going to show you at Shop Nandra sale. Sandra curates thrifted items, so she picks the best of the best, like I mean the best of the best, and cleans it up and sells it. So I went to her pop-up sale that happened at a workstation. And I got myself 2 items. The first one I'm wearing is this jumpsuit. I'm gonna stand up and show you guys. This is a jumpsuit, but because it's baggy, it looks like a onesie. It's like an adult onesie. Number one, the print on it is really nice. It's this nice floral print and it's navy blue with these florals. Really like it because it's baggy and it's comfortable. I can wear this anywhere. It also has pockets and it has one back pocket here as well. The second item I got is this dress. It's a black dress with like a floral print on it. Has pink, has white, has green. So I'm gonna put a picture right here of me wearing the dress, and I really like this dress and it really fit what I was going for that day. I went to the launch of the Tea Room Lagos and I went to go feel so bougie and fancy with myself. If you do not follow Tea Room Lagos, that is basically the prettiest place. The prettiest new place in Lagos right now is the Tea Room Lagos, so you have to check it out. I went there on Friday. I had a whole birthday weekend, so I went on Friday. So this is the dress I wore. It's really nice. It's comfortable. I like this dress because it is comfortable. Would you believe if I told you that doing my hair was a birthday gift to myself? You guys know, if you've been following me for quite some time, that I do my hair myself all the time, apart from when I'm doing my all back braids. For my birthday, I decided at one I was gonna do something really interesting, which is why I picked this color from the One & Co website. I wanted to do something like different. I didn't want to have regular blue or regular yellow or blonde. I wanted a color, and here I am with a color. Don't forget, if you guys want to purchase colored ombre hair like this. I have a discount code and the link will also be in the description box below. Anyway, going to the salon to do my hair was an experience for me because I haven't gone to the salon to do my hair in a really long time, and it just felt good having somebody pamper and do my hair for me. Like, I got myself some lingerie. I got myself some lingerie from Animosi. Animosi is a Nigerian lingerie brand based here in Lagos, and they have a little store in Ikoyi. I got myself a bra, but the bra came with a free panty, which made me so happy. I'm gonna show you guys the bra. I'm not gonna show it on my body because, I mean, it's a bra. I really like this bra because it clasps in front, so it's a little sexy like that. And also the back is really different. It's not like a regular bra. It has like this lace detail. I really like the way it cupped my breast. I know this is getting very TMI, but anyway, I like the way it cupped my breast. I like the way it made my breast look, and I like the way it made me feel. Buying lingerie for yourself as a woman is a very different experience, because if you buy lingerie because you want to show a guy, it's like you're buying something for somebody else. But when you buy lingerie for yourself, like, you want to wear it and feel sexy and feel cool for yourself, it's such a different experience. So wearing that bra one day, I was just feeling like I was on top of the world. I was just like, who are you talking to? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Like, the good lingerie makes you feel like $1,000,000, to be honest. And buying this from Animosi just made me feel very, very good about myself. The last item I got for myself for my birthday was an eyeshadow palette, and I finally, I don't know when it's gonna come. According to shipping, it says it will be here by next week, but I finally got myself Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. I have been watching the brand and loving the brand for a very, very, very long time. I've always wanted an eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place. I've seen the looks, I've seen the pigmentation, I've seen it all, and I have been obsessed with the brand. But they're an American brand and they ship to Nigeria, but at the same time I was like, I don't know, should I buy it? Should I not buy it? And then I found out that they were doing Black Friday sales, and basically there were palettes online for $9 with a discount code. I used the Women of Color discount code on the Juvia's Place website, and I got a palette for $9, $9.90 actually. The problem was shipping. Shipping is costing me $21. I have heard so many good things about the Juvia's Place palette. I got the Afrique palette. Let me be sure. I got myself the Afrique eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna put a picture of the palette right here so you can see the palette that I'm getting, that I got for myself. So yeah, I'm excited about the palette that's coming. I'm excited to try out a couple of looks. I have been obsessed with this brand, and I'm finally happy to say that I am finally getting a palette from them. It's so exciting. So that is it from my mini birthday haul. I told you it was a mini haul. I didn't want to spend too much money on myself because I was putting together a birthday party. Also, I have a couple of things that I need to do for the month of December. There are events coming up, and I bought tickets for a couple of concerts. I'm going for the Ladipo concert, I'm going for Odunsi's concert, and I'm going for Show Them Camp. Anything outside of those three, it's a concert I'm not paying for. If you want to pay me, if you want me to come to your concert, you gotta give me the tickets. But there are these three concerts that I'm attending with my own money because I believe in these artists and I want to watch them and I want to experience their music, especially Odunsi. Odunsi's album has taken over my entire mind, and I love the album so much, so I can't wait to see him perform the album live. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Please do not forget to subscribe to the I'ma Gamer YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and I'll see you. And do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye.